Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reconnect Duo Mobile on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for the Duo Mobile and download the app if it's not already installed. Once it's installed, open Duo Mobile on your phone. Now tap Use a QR code. Now Duo will ask how you want to reconnect your account. If you still have your old iPhone, choose transfer account from another device. Next, open Duo Mobile on your old phone. Once you are in, tap on three lines at the top left corner of your screen and tap on Settings. After that, tap on Connect a new phone. A QR code will appear on your old phone. Now go back to your current iPhone and scan the QR code. Wait a few seconds while Duo reconnects your account. Once it's done, you will see your account listed in the app. And that's it. That's how to reconnect Duo Mobile on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.